Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Muiz. Today we will be learning Adobe Photoshop, in which we will be using a remake of wallpaper. So first of all, open up Adobe Photoshop. It will take some time, just wait. Now go to the file. Here you can see it in the left top menu, file. Now new, I'm setting its height to 1090. Now again go to the file and open an image which I have created earlier. It is a black screenshot. Now we have two tabs. One contains the screenshot and the other contains a simple screen which we have created. Now from the drag and drop control, we are moving this image to our first tab. Yes. Now close the screenshot tab. Now we have the black screenshot in our first tab. Now go to the file, click open up the screenshot for which I have created earlier. Now we have this screenshot. Now again click on the drag and drop and move it to the first screen. Now that's fine. Now this is how we have created this screen, and thank you.